How to make pasta bolognese, classic recipe.
Wow, what a delicious dish.
Pasta Bolognese, authentic Italian flavor. Ingredients for 2 servings. Spaghetti, ground beef, crushed tomatoes or fresh tomatoes, onion, 1 carrot, 2 garlic cloves, tomato paste, dry red wine, optional, sugar, oregano or basil, salt, black pepper, olive oil, grated Parmesan. For serving, prepare the vegetable base. Finely chop the onion, garlic, and carrot. Heat olive oil in a deep pan. Sauté the onion, garlic, and carrot for 3 to 4 minutes until soft.
Don't skip the carrot and onion. They add depth of flavor.
Brown the meat.
Add the ground beef to the pan, break it up, and cook for 5-7 minutes until browned.
Season with salt, pepper, and oregano. Make the sauce. Stir in the tomato paste and cook for 1 minute. Pour in red wine, if using, and let it evaporate for 2 minutes.
Red wine enhances the aroma, but it's optional.
Add the crushed tomatoes, mash them slightly, and stir in the sugar.
Canned tomatoes work better than fresh ones for a rich taste.
Simmer on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Cook the pasta. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add salt, and cook the spaghetti until al dente.
Reserve 50 ml of pasta water before draining.
Combine the pasta and sauce. Transfer the cooked spaghetti to the pan with the sauce and mix well. Serving.
Now let's taste the classic pasta bolognese.